Yeah, exactly. Blank Park Zoo and Mother Nature trying to get rid of those lights for you because, yeah, it's going to get windy. You got to make sure those decorations, of course, that's going to be the most common thing that's outside right now. Deflate them today because as we look at the next 8 days, tomorrow, that's the weather impact day. Thursday, strong, gusty winds again. We've seen plenty of those this month, and we're going to have another one as we talk about Thursday. Breaking down the time frame, rainfall moves in overnight. It's not going to be snow. It's not going to be even wintry mix, at least mostly. Could see some isolated spots, but farther north, but nothing that's going to stick to the ground. We are going to be warm overnight, above that freezing point at least. 40 to 50 mile per hour gusts throughout our Thursday. Northwest winds move in throughout the morning, setting up for the afternoon, also hauling in a pretty substantial cool down. Starting off feeling like 30s and 40s Thursday morning, but the afternoon feeling like the 20s and actually dropping into the wind chills into the double digits. Now I'll get to the wind chills here in a moment, but I want to talk about the winds. Throughout the day, not too bad. We have a little bit of a wind push overnight tonight. As that first cold front pushes on through, we are going to have gusts around 40 miles per hour even, so fairly impressive. You might hear those, a little howl as we talk about midnight and a little after, but then Thursday morning, not talking strong winds yet. Wind advisory not in effect yet. That comes at 9 o'clock because freezing at 9 o'clock, especially west to northwestern portion of the state, the strongest winds, but we're already seeing these 30 to 40 mile per hour gusts picking up, and then we'll see that fill in pretty quickly, around 40 to 50 mile per hour gusts going into noontime, into the afternoon, evening after 6 o'clock. When that advisory is set to expire, that's when those winds are going to start to relax just a bit. But also with it, we're tracking precipitation. So we are going to see overnight tonight, rain chances move in. So clouds to start today, sunshine to finish. Clouds then thicken up overnight as a cold front pushes on in, and that's going to bring in those showers for early Thursday morning. It's around 6 o'clock. Could see some light rainfall over the metro. Most of it will be off to the east by then, and especially by the time we hit rush hour here in central Iowa. Eastern counties could still be dealing with some lingering showers by around that 8 o'clock time frame. But after that push of rainfall, we are going to have those strong winds, cold air, and that's also the snow chance. It'll be pretty brief, but we could see some snow showers. It will be blown around, but overall, the accumulations will be around a dusting for the most part. But we can't really measure them because it is going to be blowing around so much. Then the future feels like temperatures. This is what it's going to be feeling like going throughout Thursday. Feeling more so like the 30s to start, but it shifts very quickly. Once those winds pick up, cold air rushes in. 4 o'clock on your way home. This is what you're going to expect for those wind chills. Single digits, low double digits, teens, and even some sub-zero numbers move in going into Thursday evening, Thursday night, and then we'll be feeling like that close to zero as we wake up on Friday. But the winds are going to be calming down. A little breezy for Friday from the south. That gets us back above freezing, so a quick rebound, and we'll enjoy some 40s going through the weekend and as we officially start off the winter season on Sunday.